let's take a look at Shark Explorer's flagship vessel, Liveaboard boat, the big girl as we call her, sailing vessel, Great White. She's a 46-foot Leopard Sailing Catamaran, 25 feet wide. Let's go on board and have a better look. In the back here, our dive setup. We got dive platform here, goes down, dinghy goes in the water. Obviously, we got the grill going for our grill nights. Guys, back deck area. This is our outdoor table where we serve all of our meals. Great place to hang out as well and just chill out between the dives. Tank rack station here. Obviously, we're doing a lot of diving. On the bow here, lots of space, lots of room. We have our compressor up here filling our scuba tanks for diving. Great place to hang out, take a nap. People love to just chill out up here, have a beer, a cocktail at sunset. Inside we got the salon area, nice big couch, getting some work done. We got Starlink Wi-Fi, internet at all times. Navigation table over here, charge up those camera batteries, nice place to work as well. And then we got the galley right here where Chef Remy does his thing, whips up some incredible meals. Great White, 4 guest rooms, double rooms, every room en suite, 3 air conditioning units inside. We take our barbecue very seriously. Braai, as the South Africans say, the big magma grill. We like to say chill in the front, party in the back, kind of like a good mullet.